Hello everyone. Just recently, Mozilla decided to evolve their brand identity to reflect their values and organize all of their different products under the same design system. To this effect, they came up with two different approaches to their iconic Firefox logo design that most people know about. So as of today, Mozilla has presented two design systems on their blog, and they detail how each system master brand affects their other products. What's also interesting about this is that Mozilla is asking the community for feedback. All of these icons are not final, and they will be revised in the following weeks, but it's interesting to see how Mozilla will handle the response from their user community and what direction the brand will evolve to. So which one do you prefer? I'll leave the link in the video notes so you can leave your judgment. Anyway, in this video we are going to replicate the System 1 master brand icon inside Sketch, and we'll probably do another one on the System 2 icon, which is a bit more complex. So stick around and we'll get started.